Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Hive Academy, your one-stop for innovative workspace. On today's section, we are going to continue with simultaneous equation involving one linear and one quadratic. As you view, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you. So let's go to the board. Okay, let's take example from this topic. Example, solve the equation which is 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y is equals to 4, and 3x plus 5y minus 81 is equals to 0. Okay, we take your solution. We have 2x plus 4y will be equals to 4 for this equation 1, and 3x plus 5y is minus 81 is equals to 0. Call this equation 2. This equation is in power. So what do? You need to resolve these equations to a linear equation. So we are going to resolve equation 1 to linear equation. So we are going to resolve this equation 1, sorry. We want to resolve equation 1 to linear equation. So if you do that, that should be equation 1 is 2x plus 4y is equals to what? 4. So doing that, we have 2x plus 4y will be equal to this 4. You have to rewrite this 4 in times of power. You're going to take power of this 4. What is power of 4? 2 raised to power 2 can give you 4. That's power of 4. So write it in what? In exponential form. Exponential form is the power, which we did now. So when you did that, you can discover that that the base is the same. The base are the same. So since the base are the same, you can equate it. So equating the base. So if you equate the base, we will have this can cancel this. That's what we mean. That's equating the base. So we have 2x plus 4y equals to what? 2. So call this equation 3. Also, the same thing you did to what? Equation 1, you also did to equation 2. So we resolve equation 2 to linear equation. So equation 2 is what? Is 3x plus 5y minus 81 is equals to 0. So before we do that, let us move this 81 to what? To 0, to join 0. So if we do that, as if you collect the like terms, we have 3x plus 5y will be equals to 81. From there, we have 3x plus 5y will be equal to, change this 81 to what? To exponential. So if you do that, we'll have, what do I mean? We have 3. The base here is 3. So you look for a number. When you raise it to this base, this 3, it will give you this 81. So what number is that? Therefore, if we have 3 raised to power 4, will give you what? 81. So therefore, we can equate the base, equating the base. If you equate the base, we will have this can cancel this. That's what I mean. So we have 3x plus 5y will be equal to what? 4. Call it equation 4. So solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Equation 3 is what? Equation 3 is 2x plus 4y is equals to 2. That is equation 3. And equation 4 is 3x plus 5y is equals to what? 4. So what do we do? This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Take note, this equation have turned back to simultaneous equation. All are linear. This is linear, despite that it have two variables, x and y, but they are all in linear. No square, or is linear. So we are going to solve this equation using elimination. Solving equation 3 and 4, using elimination method. So what do we do using elimination method? We want to eliminate x first. I want to eliminate x. Now for us to eliminate x, we are going to multiply. This is the coefficient of x in equation 1. So equation 3. And this is the coefficient of x in equation. So you're going to multiply the coefficient of x in equation 1 by equation 2. And multiply the coefficient of x in equation 2 by equation 3. So that's what you do. So if you do that, therefore we have 2x plus 4y is equals to 2. That is equation 3. And then we have 3x plus 5y is equals to 4. That is equation 4. Remember what I said, that you are going to multiply the coefficient of equation 4 by equation 1, that is 3. And you multiply the coefficient of equation 3 by 4, that is 2. So 3 times 2 will give us 6x. 3 times 4 will give us plus 12y. 3 times 2 will give us 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6x. 2 times 5 will give us plus 10y. Is equals to 2 times 4 will give us 8. So you subtract. X minus x will give you 0. 12 minus 10 will give you 2y. 6 minus 8 will give you minus what? Minus 2. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So you look for y. You divide both sides by coefficient of y, that is 2. So we have 2y over 2 will be equals to minus 2 over 2. So y will be equals to what? 2 divided by 2 is 1, by minus 1. Substitute y into equation 1. Sorry, into equation 3, since we are using 3. So into equation 3. So equation 3 is, that is 2x plus 4y is equals to 2. Whenever you see y, remove y and you place it as minus 1. So we have 2x plus 4 brackets minus 1 will be equals to 2. So we have 2x minus, plus times minus is minus. 4 times 1 is 4. Is equals to 2. So we have 2x, you collect like terms. So we have 2x will be equal to 2, moving this to me to become plus 4. So we have 2x is equals to 2 plus 4 is 6. So you both divide both sides by 2, which is coefficient of x. We have 2x over 2 will be equals to 6 over 2. So 2 cancel 2 will give you 1. 1 times x is x, which is equals to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3, while y is equals to minus 1. So there. So I'm going to give you a question that you're going to solve for me. I'm going to give you a question that you're going to solve for me. Take note. I didn't come out well. Hello. Okay. This is an assignment. Solve the equations simultaneously. 3x plus 4y is equals to 11 and xy is equals to 2. I want you to do this assignment to my students here. Submit the assignment in our next class. While my online students, submit your answer on my comment section. Thank you very much.